Mangal Maitri student, today we are continue our chapter linear equation in one variable. Yesterday I taught you the very simple pattern. How can we get the value of x? One variable हम कैसे निकालते हैं हमने वो सीखा था. Today I am going to tell you about how can we get that as a statement. अगर हमारे पास statement type of questions we have, then how can we get it? So we are going to study about it. First you understand the statement. What is it asking? What is this asking exactly कि subtract from this number and result you can get. So इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन हमारे सामने आएंगे. जैसे if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? This one keep remember about these value. So let number is that let the number be x. You suppose that this value is unknown value is x. According to the question, what is saying that the number subtract. So we that x minus 1 by 2. Then it is saying that multiply the result by 1 by 2. इसका जो result आ रहा है, you just multiply the 1 by 2 and you can get that value 1 by 8. That is the statement. हमने उसे follow किया. पहले उसने बोला unknown number के साथ वो subtraction होगा, so I am getting 1 by 2. फिर multiply बोला, then we have to multiply 1 by 2 and the result I am getting 1 by 8, so obviously I can write that 1 by 8. So I have this answer, right? So what can we do that key particular first of all we need to multiply this one. 1 by 2 multiply this one, x by 2 minus 1 by 2 would be 1 by 4 and we are getting 1 by 8, right? The simple we need to find out this value exactly. Just keep remember जो हमें find out करना है unknown value. So first we concentrate कि particular जो इसके numerical value है उसको हमें left hand side से right hand side move करना है. We have the subtraction sign, so obviously जब ये right hand side जाएगा so it would be positive. So I can write x by 2 is equal to 1 by 8 would be 1 by 4, right? And x by 2 you have 8 and 4 LCM. You can find the LCM 8 and 4. 4 2 ja 8, 4 1 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2. So finally I am getting that 4 2 ja 8 is the LCM. So obviously I can write 8 here. So you know very well student, first as a denominator divide and then multiply with the numerator, right? So 8 divided by 8, 1, 1 1 ja 1 plus 4 2 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2. So I am getting x by 2 would be 3 by 8, right? The same pattern, yesterday I taught you about it कि जब particular इसकी as a denominator divide में है, so जब ये उस साइड जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा इसका multiply. So what we are getting that x is equal to 3 by 8 multiply 2. I can divide 2 4 ja 8. So I am getting the answer, this would be 3 by 4. So student, you can understand if you will get some statement kind of questions, then you will be able to solve this kind of question, right? So I have the next one solution. So I'm telling you the how can we get the other one with a simple pattern. So we have this question. For example, I'm giving you, if we have the question the sum of two numbers का हमें sum दे रखा है like 95, right? And one number, उसमें से जो one number है, one number is exceed मतलब ज़्यादा है, exceed by 10 other one. So find the numbers. So you need to find out both the numbers, right? अब वो क्या कह रहा है? First you keep remember, उसका कहने का मतलब क्या है कि दोनों का sum of 95 है और एक दूसरे से कितना ज़्यादा है, 10 ज़्यादा है. तो हमने उस नंबर को क्या माना? फर्स्ट नंबर, लेट द वन नंबर, हमने पहले नंबर को क्या माना है? लम नंबर बी एक्स. सो अदर नंबर क्या हो जाएगा आपके पास? अदर नंबर वुड बी एक्स प्लस 10 बिकॉज वो उससे 10 ज़्यादा है. अगर वो लेस देन होता तो माइनस करते. अब इनको मिला के 95 हो रहा है. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन हम क्वेश्चन को फॉलो कर रहे हैं. सो व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग कि x plus 10 would be 95, right? 95, right? So we can see that. So we can get 2x plus 10 equal to 95 and would be 2x 95 minus 10. So you are getting what? 95 minus 10 would be, we are getting that 5, 9 minus 1 is 85. Obviously जब ये subtract होगा तो we can get this value and x would be 85 by 2. इसका मतलब ये डेसिमल में आ रहा है because when we subtract it तो obviously 2 4 जा 8, 2 2 जा 4, 2 5 जा 10. So हमारा फर्स्ट नंबर क्या बना? 42.5. और जो हमने अदर नंबर माना था, ये तो आपका पहले वाला आ गया स्टार्टिंग वन. अदर नंबर वुड बी, क्या था हमारे पास अदर नंबर? x plus 10. तो ऑब्वियसली 42.5 पर्टिकुलर 42 plus 5 plus 10. अगर हम इसको प्लस करते हैं सो वी आर गेटिंग व्हाट? क्या आता है हमारे पास कि पर्टिकुलर 52.5. यू गॉट इट आई थिंक स्टूडेंट्स. और अगर हमें चेक करना हो कि हमारा आंसर सही है या नहीं, तो पहला हमारा 42.5 है, दूसरा 52.5. इनका सम ऑफ हमारा 95 के इक्वल होना चाहिए. तो हमने ट्राई करके देखा 42.5 एंड 52.5, 550 and we are getting 225 and we are getting the correct answer. So our answer is correct. I hope you understand. Thank you.